Okay, this is going to be the redo for my evaluation for sharpening. First, we're going to start with the sickle scaler. We're going to put it at 90 with the terminal shank here. We're going to go from 90 to 110, and we're going to go from heel to toe, starting with the downstroke and moving it along the curve. Well, there's not really much of a curve, but moving it along the blade. Once you get to the toe, just do a downstroke. And same on the other side. 90 to 110, downstroke, all the way to the toe, downstroke. And then we're going to wipe it off here, and then we're going to test it to see if it is sharp enough. Yep, and it is sharp enough. Let me double check. Yep, absolutely. Sharp enough. Alrighty. So then we're going to go to the disc scaler, which is on the other side of this one. Now this one, we are going to round the toe in both directions. So parallel to the floor. And then we're going to go from 90 to 110. Start with a downstroke. And go all the way around to the beginning of the other side and then a downstroke. Same, 90 to 110, downstroke, excuse me, and then downstroke. Okay, then we're going to wipe it off and test for sharpness. Yep, good to go in all directions. All right. So then we're going to do the universal curette, which is the SBH5, terminal shank, parallel to the floor. All right, there we go. So go 90 to 110. Hold on, here, let me make sure that we're nice and parallel. 90 to 110. Downstroke, and we actually do not move. And then downstroke. And we round the toe every 4 to 5 times we sharpen. So we're going to do the opposite side, same way, to 110. Downstroke a few times and stop. Okay, and then we are going to round the toe, which is going to be in, we're going to put it in 120 once we get there. So we're going to start with the 110, and then we are going to go to 120 and sharpen the toe. And then a downstroke. So then we're going to wipe it off and test for sharpness. Yep, we are nice and sharp. Awesome. So then we are going to do the Gracies, 1, 2, 13, 14, and 15, 16. And we are going to just round the toe on one of them. So let me see here. We've got 1, 2. We'll round the toe on this one. Okay. So the cutting edge is on this side. So from 90 to 110. Then on down, start on downstroke and on downstroke. Go to 120 to round the toe. And on downstroke. Other side. Cutting edge is on this side. 90 to 110. Downstroke. 120 for the toe. Okay. We're going to wipe both sides and test both sides for sharpness. Great. Great. All right. Then we're going to move on to the 13, 14. And we don't have to run the toes on this one because we showed you on the last one. So the cutting edge is on the right side on this side. So 90 to 110. Start on a downstroke, end on downstroke. Same on the other side. End on downstroke. Wipe them both off and test for sharpness. Great. Nice and sharp. All right. And then for the 15-16, our last one here, we're going to we don't have to round the toe like I mentioned earlier. The cutting edge is on the left side here. 90 to 110, downstroke, downstroke. Flip your instrument, do the other cutting edge. 90 to 110, downstroke, downstroke. Normally they would not be that long when I'm sharpening these, but I am just doing that just to show you that I did do the downstroke. So, test for sharpness. And we are all good. And that is it. Like I mentioned when we were rounding the toe on the Universal and the Gracie's, we're going to be at 120 degrees. Anything other than that is going to be at 110. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much.